Hi, welcome to Kyiv, the vibrant capital of Ukraine, a city that seamlessly blends history, culture, and modernity. I am so hyped to take you on an amazing journey of Kyiv today, a city that's not only visually stunning but also has rich history. Kyiv, the heart of Ukraine. We're going to be checking out some amazing epic spots, breathtaking aerial views, stunning skylines, and panoramic shots that will make you feel like you're right there with me. This video will capture the soul of a Kyiv, a city that's both beautiful and resilient. Today, it's all about Kyiv and its story, told through its streets, its buildings, its energy, and rich history. So sit back, buckle up, and get ready to discover amazing Kyiv. Alright, let's kick things off with an aerial view you don't want to miss. Imagine you're soaring above the city, and below Kyiv stretches in all its glory. We're talking sprawling avenues, pockets of green, and the Dnipro river winding through it all. Kyiv has historical and beautiful churches and cathedrals, their domes glinting in the sun, right next to modern skyscrapers reaching for the sky. It's like Kyiv is saying, I have a rich past, but I'm also looking towards the future. Let's now take a tour to the St. Sophia's Cathedral. St. Sophia's Cathedral is one of the city's best-known landmarks. Built back in the 11th century, it's seen empires rise and fall, wars come and go, but it's still standing strong, and the architecture is mind-blowing. Those golden domes, the intricate mosaics, the sheer scale of the thing, you can't help but be impressed. It's like a symbol of Kyiv's resilience, its ability to endure and rise, and you feel the history as soon as you step inside. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate two of Kyiv's most iconic landmarks that stand as symbols of strength and serenity. First up, the Motherland Monument. This towering statue, standing at over 300 feet tall, is a striking tribute to the resilience and courage of the Ukrainian people. It's part of the National Museum of the History of Ukraine in the Second World War and serves as a powerful reminder of the sacrifices made during those tumultuous times. And just a short distance away, you'll find the St. Michael's golden domed monastery. This monastery is a beacon of peace and spirituality. Its golden domes glisten in the sunlight, offering a serene contrast to the Motherland Monument's imposing presence. Inside, the monastery is a haven of tranquility, with beautiful frescoes and an atmosphere that invites quiet reflection. Together, these landmarks encapsulate the duality of Kyiv, its strength in the face of challenging times, and its enduring quest for peace and beauty. As we delve deeper into Kyiv's rich heritage, we come across two more landmarks that embody the spirit of this vibrant city. First, let's visit the Golden Gate of Kyiv. Originally constructed in the 11th century, this historic gateway once served as the main entrance to the fortified city of Kyiv. Today, the Golden Gate stands as a proud testament to Kyiv's glorious past, inviting visitors to step back in time and envision the grandeur of ancient time. Next, we turn our attention to the Friendship of Nations Monument, a powerful symbol of unity and solidarity. Erected in 1982 to commemorate the 60th anniversary of the USSR, this monument features a massive steel arch. The Friendship of Nations Monument landmark represents the hope for harmony and cooperation among nations. Together, the Golden Gate and the Friendship of Nations Monument encapsulate the Kyiv's identity, a city that honors its glorious past while embracing the ideals of unity and progress. Now, let's step into the beating heart of Kyiv, Khreschatyk Street. This bustling thoroughfare is more than just a street. It's a living, breathing symbol of the city's vibrant spirit and resilience. Stretching for over a kilometer, Khreschatyk transforms from a serene boulevard during the week to a lively pedestrian zone on weekends, where locals and tourists alike gather to enjoy the dynamic atmosphere. As you stroll down Khreschatyk, you'll encounter a blend of historic and modern architectural marvels. One of the most notable landmarks is the Kyiv City Council building, an imposing structure that stands as a testament to the city's administrative significance. At the heart of Khreschatyk lies the iconic Independence Square, also called as Maidan Nezalezhnosti. This historic square has been the epicenter of numerous pivotal events in Ukraine's history, from political rallies to cultural celebrations. The square is adorned with symbolic monuments, fountains, and the towering Independence Monument, which commemorates Ukraine's independence from the Soviet Union in 1991. As the sun sets, Khreschatyk transforms into a vibrant nightlife hub. Cafes, restaurants, and bars come alive with music and laughter, offering a taste of Kyiv's diverse culinary scene and lively entertainment. Khreschatyk Street is more than just a destination. It's an experience that encapsulates the essence of Kyiv, a city that seamlessly blends tradition with modernity, history with progress, and tranquility with excitement. As we continue our journey through Kyiv, let's explore 3 more architectural marvels that hold immense spiritual and historical significance. Our first stop is Saint Volodymyr's Cathedral. This stunning cathedral, with its striking yellow exterior and 7 domes, is dedicated to Saint Volodymyr, the ruler who brought Christianity to Kyiv. The cathedral's vibrant colors and intricate details are a testament to the faith and artistic heritage of the Ukrainian people. Next, we move to the awe-inspiring St. Nicholas Cathedral. This Gothic revival masterpiece is captivating. Its twin spires reach skyward, and its intricate stone carvings and stained glass windows create an atmosphere of reverence and wonder. Finally, we arrive at St. Andrew's Church, perched atop a hill overlooking the Dnipro River. Designed by the illustrious architect Bartolomeo Rastrelli, the church is a vision of elegance and grace. The turquoise and white facade, adorned with golden accents, is a sight to behold. From its vantage point, you can enjoy panoramic views of the city, making it a perfect spot for reflection and appreciation of Kyiv's beauty. These 3 cathedrals, each unique in their architectural style and historical significance, form a sacred triad that enriches the spiritual tapestry of Kyiv. They stand as enduring symbols of faith, artistry, and the city's rich cultural legacy. Alright, let's take a breather from the hustle and bustle and head to the Dnipro River. This waterway, it's like the lifeline of Kyiv, flowing right through the heart of the city. Imagine you're standing on one of the bridges, the sun setting, painting the sky in these astounding colors, and below you, the Dnipro just stretches out as far as the eye can see. It's peaceful, it's picturesque, it's the perfect spot to just chill and soak it all in. And as you're watching the boats go by, you can't help but think about all the history that's happened along these banks. It's a reminder that some things, they just keep flowing no matter what. We are wrapping up our Kyiv adventure, and I've saved the best for last. Get ready for Kyiv-Pechersk Lavra. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and as soon as you see it, you'll understand why. The golden domes shimmering in the sunlight, ancient caves hiding beneath the surface, and this feeling of peace and tranquility that just washes over you. For centuries, pilgrims have been coming to this place, seeking solace and inspiration. It's a reminder that even in the heart of a bustling city, there are places where you can find peace, beauty, and a connection to something bigger than yourself. So, there you have it, guys. Kyiv, in all its gritty, beautiful, historic glory. We've explored historic churches, cathedrals, wandered down hidden streets, and felt the pulse of the city on the banks of the Dnipro River. But this is just a glimpse, a taste of what this incredible city has to offer. Kyiv is a city that stays with you, that makes you think, that makes you feel. If you're looking for an adventure, for a journey that will stay with you long after you've left, Kyiv is calling. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and please subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know in the comments your favorite part of the video and which country you want me to explore next. Until then, take care and goodbye.